So what's up, guys? How are you doing? So welcome to my channel, and good morning or good evening or afternoon, depending the time you're watching us from. So welcome to our channel. So today we are here with
𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑵𝒀.
just want to talk about matters business,
Investments,
entrepreneurship,
stock trading,
and money. So Brian, just introduce about investment.
Investment is a wide field, actually. You can come up with a type of investment where you are particularly, you can specialize in. Somebody can come up with an idea, I want to specialize to majorly focus on education. It's an investment. Secondly, you can focus on financial markets. Understand me?
Yeah.
Thirdly, you can focus on about mental health. It's about investments, actually. So today I'm going to discuss about financial markets because that's my area of specialization, and much more about cryptocurrency, stock trading, Forex, and investment at large. Yes.
So okay, cryptocurrency, digital money or what?
Exactly.
So like let's say like for for coming generation, you've heard things like the Tattoo City in Kenya, something like that one, the Mwale City. There's a Mwale City in Kakamega, Konza, the 𝑘𝐻𝐿. Like the 𝑘𝐻𝐿, that guy is like, he wants to he's creating a city where mode of payment will be 𝑘𝐻𝐿. So that 𝑘𝐻𝐿. So
basically, they are trying to do away with the traditional way of transacting money, whereby your money needs to go through the monetary system of the banks. The money is controlled by the government. The technology about money, cryptocurrency at large, is trying to do away with the traditional means, whereby now we can transact with what we have through your phone, through anywhere in the world, without paying taxes, and without doing the transfer of money, without doing exchange of money and everything. Yeah, that's basically the advantage of it.
Yesterday there was this statistic released by this one of the a research company or something, that 40%, it's like now 40% of Kenyans don't watch television.
Exactly.
So it means these people are either watching through maybe they are watching news through the YouTube. So it's like people are trying to move from anything analog or traditional
to modern way.
Yeah, like see, TV is a mainstream media. So unapata that people wanatoka from mainstream media wanaenda kwa digital media. So the same to the maybe payment method, sindio?
Exactly.
So I've seen you have analyzed mostly about these market shares.
Yeah.
And this market share, so it's where a person can buy and one person can invest in a market share, right? So tell us about that, because I've seen like many of your status you analyze. I was just floating, man. So what's going on?
About market analysis. Market analysis carries a huge task, actually. I cannot lie on that. It's carries a huge task. First of all, if you want to invest in a stock, let me use a stock or a cryptocurrency. You want to analyze Bitcoin, Tesla, Amazon, or something of the sort you want to invest in. You start by because this is a wide information, actually. Let me cut it to 10 minutes or 5 minutes, actually. Let me see that. TradingView.com can give you the platform whereby you can analyze the markets. You are analyzing Bitcoin, go there. You can use different ways to analyze your markets. I have seen different strategies of analyzing the markets, actually. People are using the trend rally method, whereby they draw the trend lines and everything to analyze the markets, and then project its next move. And secondly, you can use order block method.
Order block method.
This is whereby the clues that the banks leave. We are not trading. We are trading like the banks. You understand me? Because the banks, they are the enemies of the system. You get me? So we are trying to trade like the banks themselves and copying their methods of trading. Understand me?
Yeah.
So until you know how the banks trade, you are not doing anything.
Yeah.
You get me? So the order block system, majorly for me, I focus on order block strategy of trading, whereby I analyze and see the clues the banks are leaving behind for me to mark and see where they're coming from and where they're heading to. Let me say I'm analyzing Tesla. Understand me? Tesla.
Yeah.
Tesla is one of the most traded stock in the world because of how the stocks have risen in the most recent years. The banks, they try to manipulate the markets to trap some new people in the market. Let me say, even if you're trying to come in the market and you don't know what you're doing, understand me?
Yes.
The banks, okay, you have entered the market at the price level of, let me say, $1,000. You have bought the shares worth $1,000.
Yeah.
The banks will try to manipulate the market to $900 before raising to $10,000. Understand me? So the main purpose of dropping it to $900 is to trap you, to cut your account, and to set you apart from the people who are experienced in the market. So that's where now the order block strategy comes in, and it helps you to know when the market is going to be manipulated, and then you enter at the price level $900. So that you can trap now the people. You take the money of these people who are new in the market, and then now you flow with the banks to the next level. That's at large about coming into analyzing the markets. For me, I've been doing this thing for almost 3 years, analyzing the markets for 3 years. So I can say I have the experience, although I've not reached the level of expertise level.
Yeah.
Been trapped severally, lost a lot of money. That's a lot of money you need to lose, man. So what I can say, if you are a newbie to the market, don't rush in. You need to study for at least 6 months. 6 months. Practice in the demo account, and then move to real money account. That's the case. But if you try to come into your real money account, you will be crushed within the second section. That's not allowed. Yeah, that's basically what it is.
Then why is it that when you try with demo account, actually you can predict the market correctly, but when now you invest
real account
or real money, things are opposite?
That comes to emotions now. There's a research which was done actually. I remember there was this trader who did a research some time back. The difference between a good trader and a bad trader is how you control emotions. Understand me?
Yeah.
And trading, basically technical trading, carries almost 30%. Emotion trading carries 60%.
So what is emotion trading?
That's where you trade by emotions now. Understand me? You want to make millions. You have 10,000 Kenyan shillings, so $1,000.
Yeah.
Understand me? That's almost $100, right?
Yeah.
You want to invest. You want to make 1 million Kenyan shillings. That's now emotions comes in. You see, this stock like Amazon wants to move to a next level, to this level. Understand me? So this trader, what it does, because you are trading with emotions, you enter with, let me say, a lot size of 2, right? With a lot size of 2, that means you are risking almost what? $20 per lot, per move. So this trade, because you have not taken care about, you are not taking care of manipulation of the markets and how the smart money deals with the markets. There's a high chance you can blow your account. Now that's what we call what? Emotional trading. And when it comes to people who are experienced now how to manage their emotions and everything, these people, they know how to go about and to do everything about risk management and everything of the sort. Yeah, basically that's what I can say about that.
So I think we have investment in shares and Forex. What is the difference between the two? Forex trading and investment in shares.
Well, let me start with Forex. Forex trading is the largest market in the world, actually. With figures, we know that it carries almost $7 trillion per day. That is the volume traded per day. It's large. Forex trading, you trade currencies, which is known as pairs. This is where you invest in something like Euro USD. Now you are exchanging between a Kenyan shilling and a USD, but the Kenyan shilling is not traded actually. Let me use an example of Euro and the USD. You analyze the markets and everything, invest in this thing until the next level. Actually, you do the strategy you have and everything to the next level. Stock trading, shares and everything. Let me use an example of Tesla. Tesla, I trade actually Tesla, so that's why I'm using an example of Tesla actually, because it's one of my favorite actually. Yeah. So Tesla, you buy the shares. You are in Africa. You use some trading apps, trading systems. You buy the shares of Tesla. Like now, the graph of Tesla is heading down. You analyze the markets and see where it is heading to and where it is coming from. Understand me? Now that's what we call the range. It is trading in. So you wait until it reaches a certain level, which is known as the resistance or support zones. That's where you invest, you enter into the market. Understand me? Yeah. Once you have entered into this market, now that's your decision now to make sure that you decide to buy or sell, because, that's the difference between the two, Buy or sell. Once it has reached this level, you enter in according to your account size, and then you wait for your profits or something of the sort. Yeah.
Oh. 𝑬𝑳𝑗𝑒𝐴. Oh!